In this next concept, we will be talking about how to use the singleton services inside the scope service. And this is a very straightforward concept. You can use that without any problem. So for example, this is my scope to singleton, and this is my scope service that I'm using over here. So inside this scope service, if this time I'm using a singleton service. So let's just remove this scope concept from here for some time. We don't need that. And if I'm using a singleton service over here, so let's use a couple of times because singleton service is something that will be instantiated only once, and the scoped will be instantiated in every HTTP request. So this will work fine. Do we have anything in this singleton service also? So it is working fine. There we are. Now let's just save everything, run the application and see how this will work. So this time we are using scoped to singleton. So I'm clicking on this, try it out, check over here. Let's see the logs at this place. At this place, we can notice that this is the instance that you are getting from the singleton, and this is 0D15. If I execute it many times, you will notice all the times this instance is same, like this. Even if you are calling your endpoint from some other browsers for the same instance, then still it will work. So in my system, if I'm using some other browser and from that browser, if I'm calling the same endpoint without stopping the application, you will notice that the same instance ID is being saved with all of them. So it means for singleton, we are using the same instance. This is very straightforward concept, nothing very complex over here, and this is very normal behavior. You can use that.